Good morning, classes. I hope you are all fine. Let's start our 16th chapter of SST from History section. Before going to study 16th chapter, we should know what is history. Yes, students. History is basically, student, the branch of SST that help us to study about the past. We will look closely at the word history. It contains another word story. Therefore, history is the story of people who lived in earlier time. So, history is the story of the past. The place where we are living now is called Pakistan. In past time, many invaders, conquerors, and riders came there because, students, this land was rich with forests, plenty of water, farmland, grain, rich soil, gold, and silver. That is why there is a wide range of races, languages, and customs. Today, we will learn about a very civilized state in the Indus Valley. The valley that is near the Indus River is called Indus Valley. Many villages were discovered in 1922 eastward to Delhi. We will read about Mohenjo-daro. Yes, students, Mohenjo-daro means mound of dead men. It is in province of Sindh, Pakistan. It was built 4500 BCE. The houses were made of mud bricks with bathrooms. In the center of the city was an artificial hill made of mud bricks. There was a temple. There was a huge hall with pillars. It seemed that it had been a government building. The people were simple farmers. They grew barley, wheat, sesame, and peas. Tiny fragments of cloth have been found showing that the people knew how to grow cotton and how to weave cloth. Few tools found there that were made with copper, and they also used wood and stone for making many things. They had no money. They dealt in grain and food items. They had a very simple kind of writing, but no one has yet been able to read it, and the word usually appeared on clay seal. This statue was found at Mohenjo-daro. It may be that of a priest. That pattern of his reward represents the sky. Now, the question is, what happened to Mohenjo-daro? Yes, students, some disasters seem to have struck Mohenjo-daro. There could be a climatic change that made it more difficult to grow crops, or perhaps the river changed its course and believed that the people just left and the building collapsed. Thank you, students.